Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about how to do Schoology Conference. So if your teacher is wanting you to join a conference, basically what it is you are going to get to be able to hear your friends and see your teacher. We are trying to figure out how we can get all of you to see each other, but we're not really sure if that's going to happen right now. So if anything, you might be able to hear all your friends, but you will definitely get to see your teacher. And so you're going to want to listen to the directions that she or he is going to tell you, okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to go into Schoology. You know how to get there through Clever. Once you're into Schoology, you are going to go to courses, just like we always do. And then you're going to want to go to a place that we've never gone before. You're going to go to the elementary attendance course. Okay, we don't usually hang out in there. So you're going to click on that. And then once you're in, you are going to see things over to the side, just like you do in your other courses. You're going to go scroll down to conferences, this little one right here. You're going to click on conferences. And once you're in, you will see that your teacher has started a conference. Now, if she hasn't started it yet, it's okay. You will still see the title of your conference right here. I just made one that said test. So she will click a button over here. You won't see this because this is on the teacher end, okay? If you see the green button that says it's in progress, that means you need to join, okay? So you're gonna come over here and you have to click on the title of the conference. So you're gonna click right there. And when you come in, it's gonna wanna ask you, do you want to use your microphone? Well, of course, your friends all want to hear from you. So yes, you're gonna click microphone. And then up here, as you can see, it's gonna want to talk to your computer. Your computer has to give it permission. So you're gonna say allow, which means sure, use my computer. So you're gonna click allow. Now it's gonna see, oh, do you hear my echo? So you are gonna need to talk. And then once you talk, if you heard yourself, click yes. Okay, so it might talk to you, it might tell you you're the only person, and you just wait. You just kind of hang out, okay? Now, here's what I want you to do. Over here, do you see all this nonsense? Okay, you can hide that, and I want you to come up here and hide public chat, okay? So you're just gonna click on that. Oh, do you see how my screen got bigger? Yeah. Now, the second thing I want you to do is come over here, and you don't need this screen. If this screen pops up, I want you to press this button right here that makes it go away, okay? Because you will get to see my face right here and hopefully maybe some of your friends. Over to the side, you will be able to see all the friends that are on, okay? So that's kind of fun. You'll get to see their names. But here's what I also need you to know about. Down here at the bottom, you will need to make sure that these 3 circles are blue, okay? So your microphone, you already told your computer, use my microphone, okay? Well, guess what? You haven't told your camera. So what you have to do is come down here and you're going to unclick that. And the same thing's gonna happen. It's gonna say, hey, can we use your computer? Sure. Okay. And then mine's not wanting to do it. I think it's because I'm in here by myself. Okay. So you're gonna unclick that camera. Okay. Now, here's the deal. We all can't talk at the same time. So what you're gonna have to do is sometimes what we want you to do is I want you to turn your microphone on mute. That way you can hear the teacher. So I might say, I might look over here to see who's on, and I might say, Tommy, your turn to talk. And so Tommy would unmute his microphone. Okay. So to mute yourself, to make you nobody can hear, you're going to click that. To unmute yourself, you're going to click it again. Okay. So mine's not letting me, but you want to share your camera so we can see you guys. Okay. So make sure you do that. And that's about it. And then when the conference is over, your teacher will end it, so you won't have to get out or do anything like that. So the biggest thing is to hide that public chat, allow your camera, allow your microphone, and then mute yourself. So not everybody is talking at the same time, and your teacher will give you directions on what they want you to do. Okay? All right. Happy Schoolaging!